ene eye yawada yemfa seda emfa matwedi ampodo boss robo asase the 18th day in the month of June 2020. 2 days na the ruling New Patriotic Party Manjuku NPP eko akotoaba 168 constituencies across the country, 65 going uncontested. Da omakoyi omo parliamentary candidate amube jina nimu ahead of the December 7th general elections. A trans ebinyamre na yedi enkomo yemfa sida emfa matwedi ampo nyankopon so aboy ho ban na yeda so tiase de biara da no ma wadwene mu enye fan na ekoso a etwen onyame anim ma mpa ebo mu so nyedu na hweso twedi ampo ontumi enye ana ya trans ebinyamre na yesi no picture so say we are live on Facebook Kumawood TV and then on YouTube Sam Dakus TV we nya live ho na watimi ahwe enche kra online radio no say bia tum ama so watimi etie de ekoso bia live from the studios of Kumawood TV. Yatransi some of Dawson NPP primaries the hotspots about 25 constituencies and then the research abetu just say a very hotspot pa about one was a pussy for the bamboo for money some incumbent members of parliament are seeking re-election and then others also know in Ashanti region this afternoon there was a press conference Honorable Asenso Wache Deputy Chief of Staff enkro for ni na say sisika allegation eba say sisika all che or delegate or tom no enya agro o press conference actually mu say there be enokra bi ase nim nemum Honorable Ochema Boaje the incumbent MP no na opese of akwan bi so no go mane mu ase no so no entesa eho hotspot and then uko Subin constituency in the same Ashanti region Kumasi metropolis eho so a very hotspot pa JB Dankwa Edu ena afi nso no Honorable Eugene Entry enyagro kra won so a very hotspot pa eno no kra won sama eba aba no mede beto aba mensia of constituency Collins Usamakwa enso eho ene akwasi kunadu nso no enyagro a eho nso mubeye den papa and then uko baby to say baby na anwa so bekwaya the current member of parliament no one say regional minister or the former boss Alfred Obeng and a contest ho enya agro nipa me no contest ba ko resign and also withdraw and the support am Alfred Obeng am eni baby na nyanso be kwan so very hot spot pa ho no enya agro Domi Kobenya constituency adwo asafo won so no enya agro and afi akwasimintim constituency also in the western region and so no seat no enya agro ho ochina ebenyamre na afi ya gonna constituency by constituency near amount the details of the edikan akoswa our MPP primaries no more na nei ye wo Nhyiaeso constituency say Nhyiaeso ho ene beto dwa say member of parliament ono no ewo Nhyiaeso Honorable Kedikankam he has been a polling station executive or member, he has been a constituency executive, he has been a regional organizer for the party for about 8 years and afi abe a member of parliament ono ena ebe true Dr. Richard Anane edin free akonya so enei ade so no so no office a big contest at the free Maslog CEO Stephen Amwa ehwa enya agro beginning near so I was just the cast step down mampani ne mpanifuo bi nya de ade still sticker is in the race ya trans ebenyamre na yedi enkomo hyene nson say yentimi ntrans ye ni nkomo without talking about COVID-19. The virus is around. When you move with the virus. When you stay with the virus. The best say you follow all the safety protocols. Now into me MY. Now as I speak now, we have 12,929 cases and they are recorded. And my catch was say I'm here. I bet end this week, now you trim 13,000 and we have 12,929 cases and I recorded in Ghana with 8,114 active cases, 66 deaths, and then 4,468 recoveries and my Ghana. So the virus and the disease is spreading. Now Ghana Medical Association and 24 akasa Ghana for us social distancing no any wearing of nose masks yet protocols ni so eno nti na bi a ama de ehunu na se yanhwe yi a ahwe a na oman no hwehwe atoye. Let's advise ourselves say you never bo modern na ye obey the medical experts na afi no the omode tu enimo na betumi edi so na aboa ma yare na otumi akofom. Most of the isolation centers are full, most of our hospitals are full, and then the information are echo and they say hospitals are ebia male ward, female ward, ebia abeko Axim Government Hospital, ebia abeko Takwa, ebia obeko ebia ningo pram baby anankede yarefo ankasa to obi ne tie ne yamu ye ne ya no sabre ya de one wanya COVID-19 ekugu ho. It tells you say the situation is getting out of hands and depends on you you and I and betumi ahwe na yetumi edi enema eso ntema mo homoden na yentimi entity enema so benyamre na yedi nkomo on part 1 for almost 30 to 40 minutes mene Felix Donko or campaign coordinator at the Honorable Kennedy Kankam, Member of Parliament for Inshias constituency. And I'm in the Bedin Committee. We are Abidjafo, so I better say enough in Yamre, Yedi Nkomo, and Electoral Commission, NIE registration, and I feel NPP primaries matters are rising. Meeting at the Sema Kinche, Emra, Sema, Nafi Neba, Emeshasi, na Mene Felix in Nkomo. Yes, I am Fakwaba and from Sinopi on Kumawu TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comment. Please tune in your numbers. Nugu solve by name Yamre. Let me akenkan ama on part 1. Mene Felix Donko, campaign coordinator at the Honorable Kennedy Kankam or seeking for re-election. In Inshias constituency. When you are
yeah, no.
Boko dear.
When I'm yadom. I'm yadum usually soon egugu.
Sure.
Na another chance so I'm a mopa since I was so mangana. A bank bien or about the first step. You a Juma Cassia Cassia, I cost to say, O Mampenin and Ado. Who's happening to a BNO
under the Fourth Republic
and under the Fourth Republic.
Okay.
A BNO.
Okay.
Say, wow, backing can in Russia. Yeah, oh, Juma Bebri, a bush I would want another shade now with this Marco, free SHS.
But this is Modi, Moshe 633, both written and verbal, but I'm at the 86 to 88.
You see, NTC, told that Yana person make home master because which year and someone back one share, no one no aquapatry. But I can say they are being disingenuous. Boshire share 388.
Okay.
But then this 40 minutes now say Akishimua. That's over here.
No, almost say verbal and written. So the Amotregu manifesto, and the ABA, or Penny Bejina, a bit to say ABA Tafu. Na or Kansu Samiba said the Muntaka, Mahama, Buama Muntakaya, Swans constituency, a queen in Anna Wayefeno. Meso me baby dear, Maya my wife. Then they got a foot and its environs, not a one face. So one penny is a okay, but maybe any manifesto.
Or more before more press conference. O share more advertising me. Almost say,
assessing,
assess NPP manifesto. And you move for a book, no? 68 pages, you know, and no more fire, almost 631 promises. And that is not true. And focus here. Now, promise beer or this pepe. Free SHS said, I'm making all the abba. And I can't send on Famaya, which my can actually were for. Okay. Okay, so I restore teachers and nursing training allowance. Or restore and also restore. Okay. Okay, I say a category dia na edawa, a luntina edis yabai, or the capitation. Abeto Santimanso. Amanko for where she or Monquano, or Castle Bar, capitation will be here for a car that NHIS or no, what chia, if you are, say, NHIS na fun into my pa, Efra. Okay. What shall I say? One village, one da. Eh, now, you're funny, you on taking the can come so awkward. What's a ben was say? Now, do doesn't what made this one. Minia, Kennedy can come, baby Obiano, Mechano, Bibri. That's why I'm ready. Oh, there be that. Now, this is a me phone me fa. Bear 2 days me friend of mine to me fa. On one swamp party and yes, a pressure about the swamp. There be. The corner of the amano. And the pressure. Make us a bear abusume in numini. And now we say, or quib. Okay. Oh, say, a cocoa quib was on him. Ain't he? When will grabber? Or quib would not yes say. Or butu, and no baby sukakra. It means maybe a friend uncle of Peking uncle a small backage on. It is over here. Mankind the last time or granting interview to a radio station. I think about 3 months ago. Ha. And I'm if you was it or Queb or Pessi primary C and son or more who back cry. Now Obi on lose elections on the life with the head and also elections. Lose election be anywhere. Or no can come out call Lucida. Nadia and a Cobana send a Senanka who used to hack my mo. At me, am I a day I disqualify and answer the other draw sticker. And no, really emotion. It's a complete lie. Nay, a stroke a shepa 7 prediasa. Yenu Animoa, Omujina Stekachino, Stemamochino, over the bout. Na the NTA, Jumpo and attention is a now person omunya sympathy bi. Okay. If free delegates wo. But actually no. Ekowie say I think was it last 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. Hello FM. Omu interview chairman FF Fanto. Chairman FF Fanto ono ananum to or say ono na our friends teka because we na kra. No tu ne fo say enka be ya enka ma onko. E ma ho no ano stika egitu mu say onko. But a chase sticker by view say, was I called you who not copper so. No, so if he be a new, also a party back. why party ni mo adwuma nti wobekọ dia ene ekọ nti honorable Hackman member bia o mampani member bia omu nyina obi anka hwe se can step it down
right afi yenko emu ebobe no hye ye na oba watimi adi so
medase na bedentia ema kuma wudarafo nyina mechia chairman Jokad the most strategic
chairman
last
time my friend chairman here was say Mike meet me ma show no so until see atoba na wi because me ba show no so na ansa na ekoto aba na minimde obetimi aye
yes o pe chairman o strategic pa no a o sign chairman Jokad ho a say o aboka
is o the MPH
da bi o na say chairman Jokad e di MPH a say Mike me nim ade say ade e bone wo ho
okay
yemfa ne say abusua mu na akonya abeda ho abusua pani no dan ya no a waye pani no ye say ade a pani ete ho a ohunu no akra wo gina ho a ohunu ono a waye pani a oda abusua na no dan ya no a odnani ekenkan mu a obehu se abrantie yi na adidie no ese no efata no abrantie a ye kan ho asem ono so bae o megu ne ho ani mu ase enti se chairman eta na chi a na otanachi ekwampa so
okay
enye se otanachi efi se ochiri ba ko na ono na ebepre no nemum otanachi kwampa so se abrante ne baaye no eniyo ma odi agugu akwama adwuma a wabeye no ese fata se busuan pani Chairman Jokad obeta na chi na abrante na to aso aye na adwuma
okay
nti ende enye bone chairman bia obia obeka no kra chairman bia bia be ko constituency bia be ko bia no chairman na no ebu akonta na ese ayemu promises I am 78%. Enti honorable Kennedy can come so by no. Bo share ho do o share me share sem bobo so.
Okay.
Who say o share in share constituency a secondary schools a e constituency ni mu nyina no. Kodi right side see. Obehu Opoko Are, obehu KSCS, Prince of Peace. Ni nyina kodi right side. Enti o share bo say so be MP a adwuma baako esi na ni so a obepese obeye ne se secondary school baako ebe ba benkum so a enei bo sha wo share no abem ukoso koban a secondary school fresh one yes ho ah the next intake no enkura beko school ho
ani ezemba de to man penda da kofo
sa no wate so wo de minim se o se yo adwuma enti sa no wate de e bia na sa na tie enti watime di sa bo share no so de aye adwuma o kan say bo sha ba ko o sa share ni say o say me ko parliament sebi se me ko na ball akura na ye be chen parliament a maji bi aba en bibia ye che bia no say meji bi ba o ba ye no wa nye colleges abro o dem wa kakra financial support ono a tutu anamo bi e boa agent bia kun agent a o mo constituency
and I'm from delegates no
polling agents, yeah, delegates now. Okay. We can delegates now, and we include maybe a council of elders and executives.
We need more from
plan.
I said, no, yes, Sicano or the Maomono. Now, sticker, I'm more movie. And I'm on no, the Tiana, the no, yes, Uncle Bajan, I feel we or the church almost on fire. Then you two possible this kind of moment.
And Ahometier. And the infant say, Ahometier bois. Say sika no a ekodi omonsem no omontimi afanye bibia say ahometia enti say wonka ye panifo be enum ena ba akutu anamo bi ena nan na aka no so de ahometia etu sa anamo no bia say na ne poll agents na enya omo na benefit enti nyina so ekoyi mai
na ye bo sha share so obo so masene
oba o share bo say 2014 2015 o share omo bo say oba obe so masene and no dan chen kura ono o meye mp nyina no o started from 2013 afi bia afi so bia na o ma pun agency nyina bo nyade
okay
akoko baako na sika ta achiri na agency na ka se akoko no ze ye be cha akoko na o de kofie na nti ye ne onye ne sika no we nti waye ne nyina sika nti afi bia
odi police agents ne bronya
odi ombronya enti sa odo ne akomapa or my agents ne dey ade e da ho
okay
nti se bi nya anamo bi obi tu ye e na dey pressure beto no so no so tu sa anamo no oye typical grassroots person wa na bobo na yeso o hyase oye akwa ketekete o hyase o right from polling agent oni na mua constituency organizer na mua regional organizer wa fa mua enti wa go through the ranks a wonim sade e form for no yesi ni o mo relate yesi ni o mo di evita ho what you say enti me course no enwuma hodo aye no uyi SHS na osokoman no efiri wo a o ko Santas be bi o mu ye yi
okay
Santas the background so no me kasa asem ya na areho akam gakra fi se me hwe machi a se de na ho sitie no Santas se bi ye ho na me free ho na ye wo me ye de ye yi no se ye yi na nsuo bom kuru this so you hine o ye den we say o tutu on to mana o pe be fa
okay
ayi no ayi no anu ya pon ateche a mbeti abom ho eno kra da nchen oba ayi na okohu okọ nananom na aso eno o say me pese ye ayi ade bi esombo e wasanta ase a nti on nananom hia no mo say oh ene yesa ade ya dahwa ya ka ho asem ya ka ho asem a mfie petepe nti se o pese obi bi de ene ye mai na meji adi kura se nananom kasa no no nim say o ja politicians ya council nya de obeye so abrantie de o se ye oyo ewurewura mu ye nka so de bottom sika o owurewura mu ba bia o sese owura bia eme na okọ santase a eswani enso ka kire state of the art the backgrounds
mo wi ana no so amoye
oh aka some finishing touches bi nkania bi e de bebo ba bi na ye small ibi enye ye wi abatu afin kwa wi kwa afin go wi na ye bi ano ukọhwe adwuma ba bi adura nti no so ya de kese a ukọ santase a ye betimi e de yensa akire so uyi no eto nchen a o say ayi electoral area bia no e wo say me ye bibia obi a obekọ obi obetimi de nsa akire bi so nti oba ono ani krom ade beba eso ukọ ade beba gates ayeyi ene kwan ayeyi atumo ne yaguso ama ho aye kama ni nyina zo ukọ a semai ukọ a wa obetimi woni behu bi ofiri ho ene oduru patase
okay
patase ne nana enumere wona na me chiao ye koye patase ne kesi na nimpenze me de we kwa kan mo be ha ma adwene ade mo be kan munye na se utimi yo a elections ni duru a mia metutu mentuma ene de owi abeka mia memfa ho na mia metutu mentuma ma ye campaign ama party no
okay
na ona be kan se nana me ntetesuo ewu fomfa ensanfa metetema enfa na se me mfensuo nyina manum na me nkasa nkyerɛw enne ko patase a gata je yi ene akwan ya yi atumu a ye guso amakromo aye kama
tiri mo ye campaign na tutu ma di machi so shebo
na shebo na unse oka se me ye campaign no enye se obe na 90 minutes tuntum eni ya chiri
okay
na so na nate ete dem wa
underground
ha so de emre bi
oye fast
so de emre bi opemso e kan se o menhia na panie kura to yi a kejeti a wote no saa na enso etie
okay
ofiri ho ena o se meto aso oba odin ho kwada so asema make us na e wo santasi the same thing ena e wo odin ho kwada so se be omo ye ayie ensuo nya bom ensuo muna pe e wo se mu nyina mu twa ayie no so na obi ape ba bi fa ene oku a eni kakwa ye yi gates atoto wo ama enka ne ensuo to a enka ensuo ato gidigidi sei no obekọ na enka ensuo no awura nkofo dan mu enei okọ a unhu ne sa bio ofiri ho okọ dakodwom adwuma a wo ye ho chip compound
okay
eno so omugusuo a omo ye chip compound ko ya so ba ko esa osokoman
okay
eno da nchen a Sa ekwan ya.
Chip compound or Sokoban.
Ebi Osokoman.
Okay.
Ebi Osokoman. Ye kan ba bia honorable kankan ba why ye adwuma pa no a. Betima ka se Sokoban for mo didi no ho yie.
Omo community center na eye basa no. Okoshe bo no odi oye.
Oh, minia. Community center no. Naka ahyase no ne nim se bia ebetimi aye de motor bia tata ho ne aye ne kama. Okohwe ye wo de engineer no ko mo ko check bia no. No mo se ye ne sa emoa. No so wo ne ye nyuru mu ne ensine foforo. Nti no so contractor wo ho a oye ho adwuma.
Okay.
Eno da ntia one major project. Ekwan ya free daban hai. Eko ne mua eko Sokoban. Nse ni nyina ye wanim sem.
Year of Rose.
Year of Rose. Sa kwan we enye Year of Rose asemu. Ekwan we ehon nsem a eda ho no. Yes over 50 years ago. It Year of Rose. MP no influence. Ne lobbying skills no. Eno ama na daddy. Ama sa adwuma na yekoso. Wabo modern. We call a Prince of Peace. So the Prince of Peace Pobgis. First no say na ye private school. Nti ho no na akoye ketua bi. Ono akọ ho na okohu ahokyira na wo no say ah omu wo environment kama. I betimi abie school yi. Wo tu ho anamo ama say school na be ye a fully fledged government school. Akwa project akesi a dormitories ne classrooms a yesisi wo ho. I say omu numbers no senkane no omutimi fa 200 a omutimi afa be 500 na 600 kra. It was a school. School project no okoko area same oko KSCS a ebi wo ho enti se yeka se MP nye hwe a na me hu ade na ye frɛ no hwe no edi ana da bia bibisa me nyam se hwe no ye de ade mo nkyerɛ ye hwe no se de esitie na ye ma MP ne ntu sa hwe no ho anamo because MP untimi fanse entu waketua yesen MP aketua untimi mfa nye sa projects wi
na katua no yesen ena otimi nye ska han baby de ma party so mo fanya office otimi to bus de ma party se mo fa nko we otimi to taxis de ma nkrofo oni ska so nko otimi nye sa
unia uso na mega so we typical party person okay enti owo mu nyina no we the party asem no na wasenka medisha ase free ho if the seven penny for say obodama gasha ase free na ade makọ no me to aso sa we typical party person enti na onim party ni how na ye nemu baby an ye wo na ye use as party office ho kitwa bi ko aho che bi abadwo nso obekọ na ho nsensem basa enti sa abrani nyina no se na abranti a party no eda na kuma so no na oboa ne ho sie what did they make us say oboa ne ho sie se ebedrum pempensuo bi no menya ahoɔden a betimi ade aboa party no sɛ party office na wɔsɛ yɛ han a betimi aboa me yɛn saka sɛ bus na wɔsɛ meto na yɛde si wɔsɛ yɛde ama party ma o kɔ baabi a enya afi na fa 5 cities bra fa sempoa bra fa taku bra ansa na etimi akɔ bus no esi hɔ ɛyie ɛna bɛba ɔno a sɛ yi ne bottom sika na wato fuel ɛde agu bus ni mu wɔsɛ fa nkɔmra what did they make us say enti sa ma high party office mato bus mato taxis no ni nyina ye ahoboa a wodi mfie bebree aboa ne ho de asie se bedrum emre bi a metimi de aso party na sene metimi de aboa party no ene party ma what did they make us say enti we anye se obeye MP no ena ne salary na me se entimi nye project no eno no ode ye e ya ahoboa waye ne mfie bebree
okay masa ba ho ye di nkomo wo Ishias constituency Honorable Kennedy Kankam and I am member of parliament or science seeking re-election. Joel, or say, good evening, watching you live. Please let us support Honorable Kennedy Kankam for his second term because what he has done in his first term supersedes what 12 years MP have even done. Okay. We say, let's continue to support Kennedy. Kennedy
is a grassroots NPP man. We can't disappoint him. Nana Yang also the Abba, I don't know. I say watching you live, Glow TV. You are doing great. Okay. And also there is this question. I say, okay. They can come speak good English. That is why they want to vote against him.
Senior, just want to come off. And now I wanted one on my show. Yes. Before re-election, yeah, or Siki.
Nanka on a bro.
English interview. I want about Brofo.
Or Professor Akuno. Brofo. Ah, Mother, we prepare college.
Right, I want to be prepared.
We prepare college. We are no offense. What one na this year no so I and the masters. Why other causes? Na Parliament I catch you. What's a Brofo, Papa? Na Okasa. Parliament. There are videos. Okay. Be free. Let
me promise my listeners. I can come here so on Tibrofo. I wanted to get him on my show to see say on Tibrofo and also Tibrofo. But I saw on Castle Parliament. By Felix saw Castle Parliament. So my other videos need watching. We promise our viewers say you have more the voices need be all Cambrofo. Nay, it is no cry.
Sir Mike. Yeah, Papa, Kofi Annan when baby call. Not a brofo.
Kofi Annan.
What's not a brofo? Oh, not a brofo.
What is a no cabro?
Why not?
Former president go for what a brofo.
Why not?
Oka, those are the brofo no, and yet President Anado doing a daily view. What's no difference?
Or can you look at something?
Can you look brofo? But it's so pepe. A muda hokama. Champion. But
what is our allegations now? And I say,
now, Metia and mystery. Now, make ready, they are me catch you, say, the Omkan and Yampa. Nelso, semi MP anti brofo. That's what the inferior, sir. Less than 4 years old. I bet me action projects when you know about my constituency. Brofo no made better place to start to carry. And then ya check compound out that could you say obi yare that's obey to my quack yare sa brofo no honorable no ebeka no and no native compound and fan of then a day a mudia in a day I have stand bebe and to the omacano there esre a pettiness seminar meti brofo men to mikasa and a year then a brantiano honorable can come o de ye we no ye nyamre na natnase na brofo so the 3 hours and be you na interview no a obe nyamra ma e wa beti brofo na no ne brofo kama na ye se de ochi wo no na so mpe wasem no se wasa no ayda no achia ne pa oho wasa obe chia ne pa e de egu anim ase abranche ne ti brofo last 2 years oko US I think one of the states is it California or so. Mo man key bi. This key no ya the mawa or parliament or more parliament. So key no the mawa is anytime be out in Bakrum ho without any restrictions near the ade. Omo here presentation when original abrofo nim e kan abrofo.
And would be rehearsing. And it was rehearsing.
Obi e kan abrofo na rehearsing ya.
Good. I was saying, I didn't come in Shire constituency. Honorable Kedi can come. Numadia
with the seeking for election. Uncle Bon Yedi. I say, please, Mike, kindly ask Felix for me. Is he aware Honorable has not been attending meetings at KMU? Oh, you are aware. Sir, co-official member of KMU. Yes, but he has not been attending meetings.
Sir, that is not wholly true. Sir Mike. MP say they send us a message. My name is our assembly hobia. On Chile, say MP say, and a few way. Umaba meeting or KM.
He's not talking about MPs. He's talking about mono MP. I wasn't walk assembly.
Maybe I can't see us. Abra a few way. Ye assembly for no atumuno. New assembly no. Ye be anon. On a book and it can come no. Sadano. You send a message, no matter say, apart from Honorable Kennedy can come, MP say, no more. Oh, as a person fuck my beer so, and away, Elka project, central government ayi o kan we na o president special initiative just omo de nwan omo ho a de ahoma no a na omo de chechire omo because bibia ne ho mbeka ye nya no yie mfa mo.
Most of the sitting members of parliament who have contested 3 times are campaigning against Kennedy Kankam because he has shown to the entire Ghanaians that MPs can do better than what they are doing. Will you facts to that?
Ampa?
Oh, sir.
Yes.
So you might what do you want to say? So not ever be do you know parliament? Your campaign.
Constituencies nibi. At the MP, it can be.
Oh, okay.
Oh, who said we introduce taxes for electoral areas? Over here, this is Abu Hanaba could be Pada so Muna go for and Untikra no yana. Yes, sir, stretch they say. What are not MPs no? Omenya no what time be say ah. I say Abranti who first time so no ma we as a person we to. Abranti na aye adwuma me enka no kore. And you on the first MP enya o. Your former MP obetna so fi aduonu.
Dr. Nani.
Dr. Nani.
Okay. Wanye dey can dey for you.
Oh. Me say omu o ma tia constituency mu ache no. O mbeka no kore a. Adwuma Kennedy Kankam Robert Kennedy Kankam aye no esa infie nan yi mu no. Unprecedented.
Right. Felix, your time no Emre no Emre no speak to the delegates.
All right. Metia ahwefo nyina na medentia emma delegates a mo nhia so constituency. Sabre enye entokwa na ye ko ebusua baako akonya na ato na ye pe de obedi akonya. Na so far so yam say nyina ye di eguni campaign no o de to constituency ni bi ne nkofo twemba ne ade no a ye hu bi saa won hye so inu say beto aso saa kopem memne da ye nyina beto aba na ye de yi nipa ye nim so betima ye adwuma no na ye ka nipa obetima ye adwuma no de a ene na honorable Kennedy Kankam ye say aye bi da e wo wa ye nkofa nyame bekire wa yebi abrante ne mfie miensa obaye no woye MP wie ye ka say MP wie a na say onye deputy minister ona board bia so na so hwe adwumu a waye no a e che say ye to ane so a obetimi aye amana bro so na mpanimfo say abrante simu azade egu nhyani mpo na ye teku akodu na be so bibiri emfie 9 mpo ni o emfie 9 mpo de nyanson next year January na mfie na ebeso efie miensa ne kakrai adwuma abrantie no aye no ebro adwene ntiase so enti se yeto no so a yenim se obaye amana bro so obaye nso onya delegates onya yachi watre wada sonko adi akire yen watre obuo de akire yen omo ho kaaye aye bia ni ho a papa yi aduru ho a waka se me won kan ntimi mba ni nyina oba nso obaye na sede obaye waye adwuma de ama party no party wo bass a sese de ko ba bia bass ni tu a ono ade bottom sika no atofu de agum taxes e wo electoral areas no wo se mo fa nya adwuma na mo de ye adwuma sika ma mo fa mra mi o sika na wonim sai nko no ho anya so mo de ye adwuma de ama ono abakanka mo sika no wo electoral areas ne ho a o ma na e de hwe mo bibi obi nya bibi a ye de hwe o me hwe mo. He deserves a second term. He has done enough to deserve a second term. And I trust the delegates to give him the nod. Say, Ombetuano so. I'm a Juma pa. Washa asiano. Ye ma me ba meye na the oye no wa. Ye twa the oye no so.
Very short notice.
But they not say ultimate buy. But it will be must be the buy.
Or can say honorable member.
Ewo isha so. I say men kan kyerɛ mo sɛ mo pay ambulance nsi hɔ. Sɛ ambulance de obi abetimi adam ana mo. Ɔno kora no bɛma no kora betimi adam bi.
Yes.
Obra elections no na shocking no.
Ambulance there na Nado Adaroma. President Kufuor Adaroma. It's a constituency bia o ambulance. And so adwuma kɛse a president yi waye. Enti ye de bi ba hɔ. Ye kwa ya dwen ho ese dada. If say nkofo bi nsɛm o mo ka no. Ye nim sɛ ye bobɔ a pressure no be kosoro ama ambulance na so ban fa so pa nti da na na do ase
good I was going to come in CS constituency and honorable Kennedy can come as for re-election after no first step was say person sa ko bi na obebo in CS for home kobo and ko di ntwa homra ye ba honorable Eric SB kwada so parliamentary candidate for the NDC na afei so no Dr. Bernard Ifa senior lecturer Command Technical University so betrance na afei aton constitution no eso e ba sisi ya yes I am Papa and Sinopi on Community TV you will so make come every primaries and matters arise you know corner happy then apostate Aberdeen Commander. I am Santa Region, you say a hope and a very strong word of the NPP. primary so say the name AC Aircross also and you say coalition against new voter register the country trying to get support against the compilation of the new voter register or the local say NIA cast no omo kusua omo eche nei na NIA ase ko kibiase na NIA ko twa omo asase no ele say omo eye mob up no omo ye no omo asase upper west and upper east no na asase na afi no atwaso ako to the other regions the upper west upper east every beginning and then till July 10th and I'm going to well, you're trying to say honorable representative is going to come up and get me to us. Dr. Benedict Fa is an election from Master Technical University. Dr. Kwaba.
Yeah, yes, I mind. Yes, what them or they are changing. If you don't know, Google, and the other saw they are becoming.
NPP friends. Not your name, you can come go for the some areas, and you want to say Bantima, but Chairman was getting at the as a war was as one is a notice. If you want, Oko, you can hear uncontested on a poster, is a squat. If you grab Bubu, you say, I'm going to Chokra in December, because this is your diplomatic. I hope it's for Mena, the incumbent member of parliament. So, Nakra copies was sitting in the court for Chairman and the court was said, Dominic Benya, Okoho, Okui, and then the other way, Overcast Prime Minister MP for Okui, as you.
It was a many times, young share of a thing, and more they are no. Your expectations say a year and be better. Primaries, you know, said we will be such a kind of primaries. Now, say if Bisa will be a little bit, you'll see a more awareness of the delegate. It's as one delegate massive. Now, primaries no, a manuku no processor or Modia Siho, and now manuku be a choir, a partner, a great drawer. Democrats now a practice no, by representation. Near or my mano say 30 million, now over 30 million, you know, written your papina, you know, from the local level, and district assembly level elections. So now, Barbie drew MP. The MP need the other Oko constituency in a Gamanu phone in a share, no my opposition, the Mubako MVP, MVP for a year, was your mobile elected. Now, no more saw all my person of the Mubijina Hono, and my 2 almost waban. So, more back, may I do Juma. And then said, you can't be the contest, but any family you look me and son. Be a sheer dear yapper, the do baby a command cost. But other than that, no, baby or while, we got almost 2 gun. Because, for instance, old father would say offensive, name say south to say north. Baby, yes. It was in the news. The microphone did can't cost a TV. But about listen about none of Honipa 2 contesting the camp. And you didn't preempting the decision of the national executive. And now sometimes we are party bow, but party no so I share the our Mudiso and now Moye. You are very too the court said NEC is the final decision making body. No Marco almost the other two is a nearly. Read your modi bebano sabi contestant na gata they will formally communicate to them. Na chidi for na bi mo de brana show mo nsem. Onu a wo kwa prayer de no. Ewie say me use social media na mo say bin gushegu any other 3 constituency be ko mo dey release bi aba say omo ye na nado acclamation na I think 27 for now. Kwada so be to omo dey 24 for so. Gushegu hono nipa tu account no omo makasa mo now withdraw. And the thing can part of the democracy building. But when Tnaho Nampa for iron, didn't cry my out. It's my father, who gained my papia, a quack bobia, and what? it doesn't help our democracy. Well, in the first place, no, young person, parliamentarians now, call you know, more than it is saying, and I feel so, more person, more contest, almost more than it is. It looks as if no scales now you used to, Obia used to wrong scale. Sometimes, I do baby, no, be able to MP. Quite said the idea can't na me MP on your who he ya kwan no MP ko ka se on ma ye kwan de o se ya si MP for nya kwan obi o ha onya ye and obi kura so on de MP no hu no representation ye se o mo nko parliament house en ko shemna na se ye che bibia o ma ji man si e che fa aye den aba. Nonetheless, omo asudi say also omo bo am puntu to back constituency. Na no na sometimes amanfo bibiri enwe constituency no ne o man nyina in the larger picture no, but obi o ho ano odwen wono nko no dey. Because it is funny say nhia so for ana other certain constituency be o ho man pa be 300 delegates be 400. Sadi pa 400 mo na moko yi obi agina ho in the name of MPP na ndc for so ayi wo mo de nti ye to aba de oba win bia na ona ko gina se nhia so ye 60,000 o ko gina ye gina ya na mo ye shamra to da bia ti se si ya na no o mo ko pass yi obi am pika ho ti to da bia nke bi so se wo ye kan adwenture se wo ko ade wi koto obi wa ndc but bia na nka ne nkrofo no se si ya no ye nye den yanyitum but because it's representation ono akọ no si ade no ono mfo aso a e say ye nyina na yaka nti MP ne ko parliament na the party na ye nhyehyɛ aba me hu why o se man ye dindin say ebi mo bodua ebi mo ko asukwa de ya wo kan nipa na go through process and normal go through process and na formally communication aba that is why I say vetting. Vetting I say we got to why exams no. So that be will be a ben pa say be ba na yesu afeli. Esi bebre. Enti vetting now call na enye wadwin say wa na wo assess o. Yebisa parliament wa ko mo abe na abetimi abode na abetimi aye ne ho ahwan. Na sabe ukojina wa na say parliament no no ebi area no constituency say wo kuma wo TV enche ubo so dua ahita ba bi bebre. Beka kra beka say my kra be na me popular wo ayi nchia so enti ebedu ba bi unye sika kakra so beka say popular enti o so baby na agiri say we nyina so say mfa nko parliament say ma me jitu nyina so we no mo de nyesa me nka obi di o me meka say na party no strategy good the party na ehwem na one your loyalty to the party your preparation. Nanka era lawyer Philip Addison. One in Ghana because of the Supreme Court case. But of course, you are disqualified. And I said, some vetting one passive vetting. And the reason was simple. Obviously, one nature party or constituency. The party look at a lot of things. I think the vetting, region representing constituency in the national. You be said some same be and a baby also say, my democracy is about dialoguing. Baby o ha omuni nipa ni bi akasa contestant na akasa o de no wate asem na se o ba akidifo na de ya ne say sometimes ye kan sem bi ebi a wonu obi woko ba ko mu anu o kan sem bi atia ba ko ene de o huhu sunsu aso na o kina no ene obehu eye den na ne MPP for timika ze say NDC for ye incompetent because of NDC for na bi. For instance, you find say time and now era Abdul Babin.
I know me.
Many lawyer, doctor facility. Communication officer for the NPP. Doc, what's your time? I'll give us the episode of my TV.
Hello.
Doc, what's your time? I'll do the
Thank you, Opani.
You say, Radiadum, Bidiabako.
Oh, Jana, the body I say. Most of the Jiris am where.
Radiadum, you see, I'm going to fire.
That's it.
Saturday, NP practice and Emma Equase. Arrangement of what you say.
Ayo, that's it. Mamincha, Tiffany, na me find chance my His Excellency the President. No credit. nyame adoma memeda abato ne beba so na ye de ye parliamentary candidates no so far me give us 44 constituencies and I'm saying me sana na wo dada no ya ye ho djuma wie dada 44 ne so no ono post wo mu na ebi wo so so a e beto so aba it is so far there bipia wo se ye bia na ye electoral commission e be hwe se obetutu ye no nyina ye beto aba no electoral areas mamin kabio ye beto aba no electoral areas ye nso wo be bi faako ye be start 7 o'clock anopa ni apon 1 nti se ye to aba no wie kra na abo 9 kra no a o se twen o ma no bo 1 o'clock ansana ye bieso ni akan na fe ye de akokolation center ni akokan nyina abom na yetimi declare the winner of sa constituency or it is so far the meeting aka they are connected to police for yaye they are connected to electoral commission yaye omo kotu abano so me give say ya share any peniferi na nso so di nkomo a ye nim say bibia be koboko so e di amaya yampa abone so bia wo kotu aba wo kotu aba na wo nka ho onye delegate nenyi ni say wo say wo ko say wo kwa ha ho obia wo agent ho a wo church di amano nti de ka che obia ne say obia nya motre na onko na onkotu na ba said este na fata ni via na pe declare results no nti me give say so far there was a bia no yeah because I didn't know ka ye wie di dada anya covid-19 and ba ya ka 25th no e plan ke wie but I mean na twetwe ha ba be si sata moy ti me say 20th dia say dia protocols ni na was ya observe bia no ya ye nhye no a letter commissioner no so ya nhye ya wo ni protocols ni na beto letimi ka ho na yakoto aba no na bi letimi aye kama enti we say another say kakra betimi aka ho sese no yeah
44 constituencies about the Bacoso. Now, but I don't know, more to electoral area, how many can now resource with our police center, now some of the ballot person now the police center.
Me pepa to un kabi man. Mentini.
Mobile kind our electoral area ho.
Na beka electoral area ho. Obu bia no mo de police center. No makani na abo.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Now like they say in Shayeswa. By the time they back electoral area plano, if you look police center no be going with what we need to do.
And they say abatro de san ye dijagro. And this answer media they say so more person no yen sadia be mi na be ko one collection center hopefully no be party of so na akọ na fe wo ma bie ni nyina so na agency ni nyina agina ho no makan abom se be ya bia emfa yibi timoka bia na bibia sama nti so far de me gibi se ntutu e wo se ye bia ye de beto sa abawe no betimi aka se ya wie a ye twa se me da ne beba this is Yankopon be fa me da ne kode o de ba pa de a enyi ajiamu ya be hwese bibia be koye
one thing so album every right down kwa subi or a press conference
yeah
album album so me to aba no kan so zubi anya ne de na obi anya ne de a obi a say indeed I was saying no I don't
no that's it na say album ya de who problem you come to the party office and then solve the problem and then from Mojuma what I say who problem bia no a obeba na party mpanyifo no atrase ani ahwe bia na yenya benti se secretary akache so wanya bibia se bia obi de ayi bia beto se wo problem na bibisa so far the secretary ka bibia sancheme and I can't seriously speak to that but me say they also ye bia ma omo contest ni nyina no omo wate omo no me gidi sia ye unless bibia ba minimum ho bibia there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Another way also media accreditation. And then you could see in Ashanti region, every media house per se accreditation, but who is even coordinating what? You are the communication officer for the party in the region.
And I say, who my office? Oh, my office. Where a bad boy? My office. Hey, na kwa bana bia. What be 7 way bia? Say ka different jeba. But I think the best person.
Uni bibi.
What's that?
your colleagues are more other media houses are radio for crowd mobile and almost say omoba we say kwa hunu de mo ye kra. They came there, some of them came there.
Oh, they came where? Many office or other than a
Oh, sir.
Obi no waba because me mobile office one on the tunya. Maybe I done a holiday. What does it?
Sure.
And Obi as will be there. Also timid friend in Nadia or catch me. So, and also secretary of and they were in charge the champion in charge of elections and a research. On also, and you know, if there's anything I'm going to say, or maybe to contact you direct now, or maybe to shama. There's no problem. Now, accreditation there. Say, I'm on a mobile cover. And none of that.
No.
When I'm mobile cover, you know the accreditation and not the BBC. Yeah, my better near who their course. And to me, this are not there. Take Diana Monica, Opa, China, and Opa, Press Secretary. Not the women in Nkomo. They won't be an Monsabeka. They do also I had their friend. Oba between office. Oba, there was a Bia, the in my Bashania, and to buy the Bianwa, Obia the Bessie Obia. There was a person here, another one was a person, a pass Bania, Deno. Being now, the Gibbons and Shell Homa, Obia. And as I say, no, and not the Yin, you could see our papa. He said their first, no, make last time I hear, you could see our Ubasunia, Omuya Umudia open pass a meal. Depending now, into one of the Diabecas accreditation. When accreditation are not yet and then. But this is electoral area based. It is like a claiming over a job. And you know, one has a more quack, I'm first with Yamonema. What I say? It's Mamma Manager, you be Sibia, will be persuaded to be CMO, and I will call the accreditation and then crack. And then crack, meeting your emphatic say, and then crack.
Doctor, more hotspot areas via one who say, I was a bamboo yet thing. Said the Biama.
And then it's your bamboo, baby, the same. Baby, I was here to be a what I said. And the panels or motion will be any down. Baby, what the phone in will be any down. They are acclamation also so no did it so more formula tesena and not the same. And then the did it so more bosom train, mobile bosom train, or much a son is so baby. A friend is saying one of post areas, no mobile. Na baby a beto abana so ye titi baby a equal baby a anything na hwehwe security wise electoral commission for party penny for omo mbokwa kohwe bibia da ne koma ye hwe bibia na me ni se obi betimi aba so oba ba ye bibi basabase bia wo bibia ensi anya bia ye possible
as parent be per se ohunu se e bia na party bambo no ense M1 santo no ano ebe engage the services of either the metro men or the military or
the military omo mo security no ye omo aye do mbeba police ro ni ade a omo beba aba behwe eno no na onye secure da macho no dia no be wo ni ana ya fa ko application makomo abana ye to no da form ene ye the last header ya to aba to police station level aba letter area coordinators yaba constituency yaba region yaba national ye bibie aka the last level ye presidential slot no enti me nyini so bi baba say me fi say me nyi 17 ko fa match ni ade match atwam enti no bia nyim tum say oba no aba ba twelaba the last day I to aba no there delegates leader ya wo mu kwa ko kire say ade no aye ko no ye pe constituency anasi ya masewa asa and macho ntuaba what I say nti obi anti asesa no nkoto matem bia no say the president Kofodi afutu maye no meso nyina so na me kan bi nche me am party mano president Kofosi better say we better party mu na ye messenger power than say we be general secretary opposition the say afutu kase e de me bia the party first and some of the beer keka wo bia no aba obia so wo dom party no bia no wo nimu se e ba ho o first allegiance is to the party and meeting na wo ba no one job application letter ma say me ba be join party obia no ko party mo the application letter ko ye obia de na kuma ododo e na de ko ye so ko som nje do time no na ye call to duty a o say wo ti ase say obetimi akobekun ebetimi atwenifa ekipa na na contest a ene o nyina na betimi awele Yeah, it can never happen. Bakope the Benya. Nti bakunu ni a ye nyina ye kabom ne ye so mu na afi ye de ne kɔ saa de ye no ti me ni sɛ bibi be ye basbasa a be timi akɔ ha
You say yare aba we are almost heading towards 13,000. Yeah, to abay electoral areas and ebe to abana there, but more than say gwa said ebe delegates any supporters of the various aspirants no a bit me observe the social protocols are enkofa wa bia emba
bibia da ne kwan everything is worked out. What I say obi no be si kwan so ko si che delegate si che rep ni yazi ko si che rep so ko David the near no be si obi akwa
bia yare na aba no dia na
yare no dia akunta
ya said be obi nkofa yare bi nko kan obi
David bibia ma sa protocols ya be observe but ade ba ko na wo che ase be ka say yare abaya ade ko ni ni ran say ejom kwa ye ko bi o bra ejom kwa ye ko bi say yare no ejom ana me ba aso ye kwa no pe bia ye nyina ye ko digwa na ba ye ko magazine ko ye ka na bia wo se ko bia ye ko eti me hu de dia wo se ye na yare na ba but nim say electoral commission no de all protocols no e de ato ho ya me gidi say no me be gina so a ye de be ye bibia enti there's no cause to alarm. I can stay on that.
Doc, Kumaus TV Sinupi, you're now saying you may, and say,
Madam Mosmas, and this is the Amufra, the Babana Besson.
Okay.
Come on. That's right. God bless you.
Bless you. Mene, Dr. Kosichi, a communication director for the NPP in Ashanti region, and at Yekudin Komo. So everything is set on 20th of this month, Saturday, NPP back at Twaba. Now, I say we are Beman say party man. And one number 12, 44 constituencies, but I think one and about one I kakra. The Akajina and the
24.
Said no date in your mind. Quite as we were dealing with the 20th. No, you can't 20th. Yes, it's another idea. We quite as suprema the rest of the 43 members. Minister and July is much as here. Or more on the post no, or my has here now, or more go into the various electoral areas now, or my acclamation. First, mammy, area bear panels about on mobile day.
So, Mike, with the question with the idea, maybe a dear contest today. We be sit now one for mammy, be no tie cancer as well. A bus or no, you require them. Kwaya battle be a was a more ebemwa now nyakwanya now be a prevent contest na yeah dan so be gas any contest
Okay.
And the one is a competition there you can't say say is maybe a dinner maybe
but we expect we don't have to form oko baby to say you start can be for so as for you or likely so bit me returning the seat no
so like me say baby a contest be hard because delegate unimo mutimu
okay
delegate unimo mutimu and then also na make say on the grounds e be ya juma e be o exhibit e be o nema omodeche and the baby any why so simple sir
okay
baby any why and the election dey but I know it's as parents na omunuma na omuntu omabo any delegate no mami what they say the analysis I dey do I do baby you popular you know if you more popular vote no say omo a enenam bisa driver one emfama no ubisa we one emfama no mo na bo aje say emfama so na si any or delegate vote no na say college vote
okay
delegate na nkasa enti okohia delegate na nkasa omo na ekoto aba no and sana ya ba general election any driver for do bia betu bi no but they say oh delegate na ekoto so aba
any it listener say won't me gba the obidia beli I say those likely to win especially in Kumasi Ajosu Adiomi will retain the seat, Kidikankam will retain the seat, Collins will lose, Ochem will lose, Eugene will retain his seat, and then Tafu will be for Dr. Ben. For doctors new two. And I think some yet Dr. Ben, right? I go so Edin come on Sinopi Fadwen Cerebra, Ninya Mrankin Kai, Emfa, Emma, Mintra Mombra, Sema, Nafi, Immigremu on NIA and Afi Electoral Commission, a home and Sensum. Young Commerce. Yes, I am a for Kwaba and Famra Sinopi on Kumawut TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comments. Fabra, in American kind from now. We see watching you live from Sefi Adabokum. Okay, greetings to my mom, Ubiya Akwada So Ebiske Bay, and to all staff of Cocoa Health and Extensive Division, Sefi Adabokum. Okay, Nana Ajiman, Yachiapa, Yancha wife, so Felicity, or say Ajiman, Yachamopa. Right. We say, Sabaik, good evening. Please kindly tell doctor to be bold, or say Asafweji will lose. Okay. Christian, and so the other face Sita Abanono. Sita was say watching you live, regards to doctor. Okay, Sita, Doctor Obeti. Well. I said, good evening, Sir Mike. Please tell the NDC to support NPP in 2020 to 2024 so that we may give them the chance in 3038. Okay. And so, I say, all is set for the NPP parliamentary primaries on Saturday. For me, these are the preferred candidates. Akwatia constituency, Ernest Yao Kumi, New Jabin South, Michael Ochrebefi, Asante Achem Central, Kofi Owusu Nkansa, and then Asutifi North, William Frempong Bonsu. Asutifi na my producer, Nebrano Ewono. Okay, and also the Abba and no. Isaiah Man Ventures, Chronom Opposite Market. I'm praying that NPP incoming parliamentary primaries will come on coming Saturday and end successfully. I urge delegates to vote for competent and hard-working candidates, but not incompetent and money-sharing candidates to contribute to the development of the nation. Regards to Dr. Isaac Yao Opoku, the right choice for Offenso South. Okay. Good evening, Sir Mike. Watching you live. Please, where is our candidate? You should have presented an NDC man. Where is he? Wow. But I think you can't force me to bring an NDC. We have other parties and so on. So, doctor, on your political party. But then there was a quad so NDC parliamentary candidate was say SB Eric and Eba was who bedroom can be BSc. Inti went to me and free coin do studios. Inti NDC for no mention and so. OPK go so
Clueless and super incompetent Mahama and NDC are our biggest virus with the evil plans against visionary and competent Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Let's all support the NPP. Okay. On also the Abanadoct.
Electoral Commission Edding Common acting acting communication director for Electoral Commission. Okay, so I say police stations. Now I say no, I'm not for can say I'm about Parliament. Now I say I'm about EBF free. I'm about 3,000 plus. I say this again. Almost say and yes say be a obia ntimi ntwe DB. Various polling stations no. I don't make change. Nti omo na cluster of police station 5 at a time. Nti as information go NDC the bontia. Enya no correct. And then NIA so air distributed cards. Cars normally say over 30,000, 32,000. And I double registration. How possible with this?
Mike,
Yes.
That's my mention simple second one.
NIA.
Double registration.
Double registration. NIA. Yeah.
Oh, it's possible. Say a system. And Nipa na aye ho adwuma.
Okay.
And sometimes there can be system failure. But we no dey na me hu ye no me hu. Once okoye nkrase na because me hu say me observe say baby o wa na o mo connectivity ni ho.
Okay.
So o mo ko no ma ko collect data no. O ma ko entry. No mo dey aba baby a network e work. And sana o ma be feed into system. Now when the Ghana for name bi ho a ye ne gifo.
Okay.
Like you say we are be voter registration amanfo be puako so mo kotwe omudi tie nkra nketo an say na nkrofo kotwe omudi pa anti obi o kona card no onyaaya still na aye ne say e ma ene de ni dinko ade ni
Okay.
entu be hu ano se bia ofiri atinga junction ha no ma oduru adum ba bi no hu za akwanya wa ha na aye twere bi mu a obetimi adi la ne so abo si wase adi now actually in the system and although it must be very robust to center or try say or register be a show
Because a biometric.
and I make say
So
that is why system
what
etimi determine
even NIA crowd now no what follow the distribution of the cars no.
when the crowd obi catch them say my sister station obi say obi even piloting of voter one obi so are register 2
Piloting.
aye the omo here na anu ya
Wow.
Because he wanted to test the system. Some of these political agents here. And I may advise that is why we do piloting, to see the weakness in the system, to correct them. And the way the system is supposed to be robust. But Semite, if we come along with some of this, the good things that say the difficulty will be if it keeps to be in the system. And I said, yes, some person who have transparent the system. I said, but they've been able to see, say, or more running who said they want to detect those, I think it's possible, say, a bimo, and no, now I say once that they can't prosecute straight away. They are going to look at their reasons. And I make sure, say, Obi or what? At the end, you try the region by region. Or try Ashanti region, where you card in the sun. Or do be not be and to him or her no onyabi and was I got anything
But a system no any way say between detective say what the can trading and no do say see so akra no a detective say no what the can trading that.
Yes, I believe that it should be as robust as normally within certain particulars, but I don't know sometimes titinokra na biometric no obi the Kofi Mensah Kwajo Agbozo kwa no alternating names no.
I'm asking this because who said President Kufuor time Ghana for control within Tiabeye. So currently now almost trading not date of birth or the mind at that time even a different from the current date of birth they will tell you say what they are card no because what give you different information. So how come say people could be trained the baby is it not surprising?
It's not so surprising. So that is why it's a system.
And the system is not.
No, every system will, at all costs, at one point in time, will have some weakness. And the system, no matter say all things being equal. And the second issue is how do you determine when there are errors? don't know why who said 32,000. But I agree with you, say, yeah, system, yes, so robust. Yes, system, say, yeah, building, yeah, near Ghana, Kakra. Say, registration is animal, and you have back with advance. And the one we have some, these few numbers now, Yama modern say, Omobe some problem now. Omobe why it happened so. It's all about computing, programming. Obi waiting be one overwrote the other. Omo be overwrite it can be some of those technical issues.
And then they said 350 people now amount for a challenge on the grounds of eligibility.
Yes.
To go on your Ghana and no training. Not so Ghana and
you say it was very good. Say, Oma Manya said, voter ID to do one. Don't fight with someone. Don't take the law into your own hand. Just challenge. And to know I ban, they will sit on the case. Ukwe is no your valid. I am back at the man. But men question ka, men premium crowdy. Now I enter. And the end is very good. Say these are all systems now. A check in. That is why the second phase. Then can say, for time no one say I vote. I birth certificate and go. Okay. And no number sometimes. In fact, who be sending find the those times or mention date of birth. Okay. Obi Bobby. The current one now you say confirm date of birth certificate brand. Or they be connect different. And now to do at the Obi voucher amount. Because all kind of different some of them they keep mentioning different dates. Only one consistent. Just say the nana no one about the ban or come back home when I say what are two? What they are two now they acquire a registration card number free work or now they no I wouldn't be so surprised, but I'm happy say and I yet detected this error. Mobile correct. You say now we are sad and no they must find a reason. Is it from the system? Is it from Nipano? You know, and they must interrogate further. Say, yeah, how is this biometric? Now and to picking. But I'm not surprised that Obi or why. Says Ghana one is a birth certificate biometrics. You probably be out. The truth being go be fashion biometrics. But we've done well. Yes.
And then it will end somewhere in September, going around the 16 regions now.
Yes.
No much to do.
No, I compose is a no country. So let's any process make a crack and can you find crack. Unya the portray electoral commission fine. When let's two people vouch for you.
We know having ECA registration. The same time now, and I is also
concurrent. You know, something now got and I am more expanded type.
But some of the regions, no, and east and
back conflict.
Yes, central, western, north, and then upper east, upper west.
Nonetheless, they are all different processes, and we must go through them. And maybe did you say NIA card name Kotuaba? You know, voter card, any day Kotua, and all your time bound. And we say that period we do that regions they can decide go for the voter register first. Who we are, as you are saying, if it expands up to September, who we are after July now, then you go for that one. And because we are time is of essence. You see, because don't say, and I almost started your check. We must come to a conclusion one time. Okay. Not subsequently. We are very no move. We are buying crowd. Yeah, we will do baby. No, so 7 pound free. The free one and so a bloated data. Okay. Said the easy forecast. And the way the young twice on uncle incomplete. And easy be our okay. I say, release Abano. Easy went to Parliament. Nobody did come. I'm very happy.
My announcement lines no. Maybe a lines to wait me afraid on 0200 602. Na yate wonka. E din come on NPP primaries. Fine and who say come beat me afole. The big ones no. Beat me afole. If so na who say what say ya nhwe yi na mpelefo ni ama ho a. E beat me do how be.
Masa Udu Bantmo say
I feel good when I hear the name President Nana Addo. There is hope for the future. Let us give him another 4 more years to do more. NDC can only create, loot, and share. Regards to Lord Inusa Lansa. Well, Lord Inusa Lansa was my host I've once produced him and tafo nti sɛ ɔmo hwɛ na sɛ mu odua na obetumi adwuma na de ɔmo ntoma ma me
yo tafo
so I have to be fair
yes
so ɛnyɛ sɛ ma produce no penti but ɔmo hwɛ na sɛ mu odu na obetumi adwuma na de ɔmo ntoma na me abusua bia ɔmo na to betumi afrɛ na yato ka dot
sɛ ma gye me de isi ne amanyɔkuo no nyinaa didi nkɔmmɔ ma yɛ park meeting bɛsi isi is a body and institution yɛ build they have already approved from Betway. NDC should come on board and join with them when they are not clear with something. But more say anytime they want to bring the issue one way or the other, then they are of course Parliament or not such an incident. Who did you always because the way he say they have been mandated. You must cooperate with them. Now I'm one democracy and more. NDC should make some effort. Say mobile Tiasiama issue na.
Tiasia.
Thank you.
Tiasema issue no. They also have their reasons. What in almost almost into. So if you say almost Tiasema.
The reason is on the yard. How can they play a challenge the referee?
Right. Hello. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Too bad. Over to me. One lower the volume of your TV set. Now for me at on Kay.
The issue is the referee. On the one rules. Then why you rules may be minded. You don't go and force your rules on the referee.
Hello, good.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir Mike.
Good.
That's Papa no producer. That company.
Yentio Dako.
Na medawase. Mizo no rakwatiki kasa. Na oka niema bebre. Beto he omola sima. Nimse niema bebre ha adwum. Na owre ya so defani na nsema yiti ekeka kire Ghana for no enye ne kwaso no Samai nje wo ye adwuma wo Kumawood ba bi o kire na Kumawood da bia bi wa Accra no sisa ko na ko ye payi a wo se untimi transfer vote enko amen tiase sama amen nyama wo ketin na yo helpa wo di kretia ma Ghana but aso bia twi nani mo me he bibi yo na da cha sa wiansa medase.
Yes, so that's it. Dakrope also bet me abem nafi ateonka. Good evening, Sir Mike. Watching you live from Libya. Great work. Okay. Libya for a chamopa, I think say money in the pa Mamu Libya. Mobile so me ateonka. Not also.
Sir Mike, give me a message. I have already said MVP.
Good evening. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Man, the volume of your TV set in form. Na eti on phone no yebeti on kan pa. Hello, good evening. Hello. Wow. Hello, good evening. O fra no ma TV volume na ko form no wati on phone no. Good evening. Wow. Dot.
Auntie Samai me dey me sese isi na djuma no ye ma ne kwan se bi mfanfo bi e kan. Na omutimi Ghana Banifo former President Rollins and Kate NDC.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free NTO.
Pastor, the friend Alex Atari, the free Sokoman.
Alex NTO.
Yo. About all, you don't know more than that. You're two on the piano. I'm over. Kate said, Alex, like I say. Na hello, fine.
Yetiopa, Mr. Alex.
That's a wood here.
Yetiopa,
yo, okay. Yo, the program then I got no bomb basso. Send me a movie.
Good evening.
Good
evening, I'm free.
No,
yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, free NTO. Hello, good evening. But I am on TV no. Phone. Why? Hello. I think Saturday a tie cap. I will Fred TV swap. Phone. Na elowa TV set no. San we are TV Fred. That's what they do. lower the volume of your TV set, and then you listen to yourself on your phone. Because you are communicating to us through your phone. Right? Doc.
Sometimes it's easy to be stressed in one. Now, in the COVID-19 protocol, you're interviewing pretty before. Now, I'm more in our money in our teacher. And this is for activity, but I believe there is a little bit more issue. Now,
good evening.
Fine evening. Hello. That is say. The patron person that program is okay.
Who was seeing you?
No be busa say. Para to control the date here the 12 and that day.
Para so information here say 24. Which is like
date here the 12
24 Monday.
Here the 12 delegate.
Monday 24.
24.
Yes, please.
Okay, but
Okay. Well, para so. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
I'm fine. And how are you?
By His grace, you are doing well. Your name and
My name is Adams, calling from Nalerigu and the northern region. Northeast region.
Let's hear you, Adams.
Hello.
Let's hear you.
My name is Adams, calling from Northeast region, Capital Nalerigu.
We can get you. Let's hear you.
Hello.
Adams, lower the volume of your TV sets. Okay. Hello. Good evening.
Hello, evening.
We need your free.
It's Ambrose, Mr. at you.
Okay. You too.
But Thomas Miller,
You too.
my friend is program on radio so. TV. Kumewood. But some contribute what program.
Let's hear you. You too. Who was that Antikasa?
But we okay, next to the bed and I'm telling you almost nothing. Almost nothing. So this year COVID-19 young children not next year at and just instead of we more Anna that's right you also have and the main money papa and one COVID-19 remember the empty sometimes you know the cock of the swamp when you are in your plan how to 2 years pray and I
Okay. There are a for this year. One of my old Fred TV one. And then you lower the volume of your TV set. Now, after what you want phone, me actually can. I think most of you wanted to contribute, but because of that technique, you couldn't. So tell doctor the fact that they have been mandated doesn't mean they shouldn't apply common sense. A player can challenge a referee if the referee is seen tilting the side of the other team. Sister said the on so they have. Ambassador, my boss with casket was say if not that kind, and I open at all. This year, when you know for some I'll be at all. Say open so the same year. So an ambulance at the fact if you know and not quite see young only if you much require at the airport. Video coverage, decorations, between IAB and other movie. Come on. Bonus for compare and the any woman said, so when this company, you know, what is some other interest we are and it's not together. We and actually, boss week caskets at the labor as a runabouts, Fantinita and Anchor to 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 for an so now if you want to move his Herbal Center, Dr. Muhammad Isa Review. Sibra na onhwe Arabia ho bia no oba Dr. Binyamre na watimi ahwe ma so no watimi kanya oya esa umaso oju anoma so to me abe ho na doctor odo so oju mu a faxi ko ho no oso ko his Herbal Center robeko na tumi so oya esa no watimi abe yewe na yemfa esi chane so so be PP so ata oba no TV obenya bia to sa that is me present 244 1081 97 dots
Sama into your MVP primary, you know. I start the phone now. I tell my mark, my couple. Now, I said, you can't recall your words. I've been for my president, Mama, you're incompetent. Anything being in another phone. ɛne nyinaa da so hante ɔmo delegate ni bi ka biara mo but yɛsrɛ na yɛsrɛ sɛ nhyia so ayɛ fɛ mebɛte sɛ
doctor ifa ɛyɛ senior lecturer mass technical
sama mama no nsi
yɛmfa nsia ɛmfa Mr. Boku wɔ asafo former tutor wɔ Great Baptist ɛna wɔkyerɛ saa nso na ɛno a na meba kuma the second born ɛyɛ ne birthday nti nhyira happy little birthday to you ɛde Michael Nana Adomako the cameraman Kobe Frank Pierre Ochi Doso the only one MC Augustina and Afghanistan Loretta executive producer Samuel Orada Consandakus producer Bernard Ade then fast down so my Pelegi and Afghanistan DJ Lot Omina Boy I may have more snap West Side